Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Midterm exam construction technology 3 method of executing substructural work. Board pile foundation. I want to introduce myself. Name Muhammad Iqbal, NPM 1910154100035. Class Tech 3C. Lecturer Filda Rosa A.M.D. STMT Bung Hatta University. What is board pile foundation? Board pile is a type of foundation with reinforced concrete elements that are inserted into the borehole. This foundation is used to transfer the heavy weight of the building to the ground or togger rock layer. A board pile foundation is a type of deep cylindrical foundation that functions to continue the loads above it to the bottom of the soil layer, which has the soil bearing capacity needed for the basic foundation of a building construction. Material and tool used on the board pile foundation. 1. Material. A. Ready-mix concrete. B. Reinforcing iron. C. Bended wire. 2. Tools. A. Concrete mixer. B. Crawler crane. C. Auger machine. Next tool. D. Temporary casing board pile. A. Fibro hammer. F. Theodolite or water pass. G. Bar butter. H. Bar cutter. E. Pipa, tremie, and bucket. Board pile foundation implementation. 1. Preparation process. A. Mobilization of all tools and material to be used at the project site. B. Prepare a circulation excavation to accommodate water and drilling was smooth. C. The determination of the drill point based on the plan drawing. The surveyor determines the point to be drilled in accordance with the direction of the executor. D. Set the board pile tool before use. 2. Drilling process. A. The soil is drilled using a crawler crane mounted on an auger. Drilling is carried out until it reaches the planned depth. B. After reaching that is sufficient to prevent the soil on the edge of the hole from falling. It is necessary to install a casing, which is a pipe, have an inner diameter of approximately the same as the borehole diameter. C. Drilling is continued using an auger or bucket depending on the type and condition of the soil found. Will the depth and type of soil that come out are recorded regularly until it reaches a specific depth. D. If the wall of the borehole collapses, it is necessary to fill in the water in the borehole during the drilling process. 3. Board pile hole cleaning process. A. After the casing is installed, the bottom cleaning process of the board pile hole is carried out using a cleaning bucket so that the soil and mud deposit can be cleaned so that the appropriate hole depth is obtained. B. After the process of cleaning, the board pile hole is method to have reset the planet depth. It is necessary to ascertain whether the depth of the borehole is sufficient, namely through manual expansion. Fourth, assembly and installation of bore pile iron repair. A. Place the metal stand used to place the rebar in the assembly. B. Install the ring mold on the iron stand used for printing or laying the reinforcement so that it is circular and straight. C. Attach the main reinforcement to the ring using wire rope as the binding medium, and attach all the 11 bars to make a circle. D. Install the stirrup on the main reinforcement which has been arranged and attached to a circle shape. And T. The stirrup using wire rope and arranged with a distance of 150 millimeters. A. After the stirrup reinforcement is attached to the main ring case reinforcement, it is removed on the binding process is carried out between the main reinforcement and the stirrup reinforcement using a welding tool, and the area where the welding is done is the head and end of the bore pile reinforcement. F. Steel reinforcement is manufactured at the project site. The steel cage that has been fabricated is then lowered into the drill hole that has been drilled to the depth of the two-level design. Steel cage connected by means of welding. 5. Bore pile concrete casting process. A. Installation of a concrete iron basket followed by the installation of trimmy pipes. B. The trimmy pipe is installed along the drilled hole with the end resting on the bottom of the hole. C. The trimmy pipe is installed along the drilled hole with the end resting on the bottom of the hole. Ready-mix concrete with a slump of 16 more or less 2 centimeters is poured into the trimmy so that the tube is completely filled. D. The concrete is poured again into the trimmy pipe and thus the casting of the pile is continued until the concrete surface reaches the desired height. A. The casing is then slowly removed and a final measurement is made of the concrete to check whether the concrete surface height is above the bottom plane of the bottom pour at more or less 1 meter to ensure good concrete quality at the bottom level of the concrete. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.